Hey everybody, this is Robin from Violet Botanical Skincare, and welcome back to Work With Me Wednesday. You know I love it when you join me in the lab, and today we're in the kitchen, which means I have a DIY project for you. We are going to make aromatic bath teas, and what you need are dried lavender flowers, dried rose petals, you need dried chamomile flowers, and dried hibiscus flower. You also need a measuring bowl or some kind of bowl to measure with. You need some muslin bags or tea bags that you can put the bath salts into. And then you need tablespoons, one for each of the flowers, and then you also need something to stir. So go gather your ingredients, go gather your your mixing goods, and come on back and let's get making this aromatic bath tea. So the ingredients I chose for our aromatic bath teas are because they're very beneficial to the skin, especially if you have dry, sensitive, or some kind of skin dermatitis. For instance, the lavender. It is anti-inflammatory and it aids with eczema and itch relief. It's calming, it's relaxing, it helps with relieving anxiety, and it's very fragrant, and it just promotes well-being, and lavender is antibacterial. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 4 tablespoons of the dried lavender flowers. And then our next ingredient is dried rose petal. Now, rose petals, they soothe the skin. They are skin calming, especially if you have eczema like I do, and I've told you about my eczema. It also boosts your mood. It has cleansing properties, and it's also an antioxidant. So we're going to do 4 tablespoons of the dried rose petal. Now, the good thing about making bath teas is that you can make them for yourself. They're good to give as a gift for someone. And our next ingredient is the dried chamomile, and you're going to use 4 tablespoons of that. And the dried chamomile is so soothing for your skin, especially if you have irritated skin or sensitive skin, and it also helps to reduce redness. It relieves dry skin and dry skin conditions, and it's also anti-inflammatory. And our last ingredient is the dried hibiscus flower. Now we're going to use 4 tablespoons of that. Now I have half a tablespoon, so I will be doing more. So don't think that, oh my goodness, she did more than 4. No, I have half a tablespoon here. And so, but the dried hibiscus flower, it is so good. It just helps to keep your skin hydrated. It keeps dry skin, dull skin at bay, and it has vitamin C in here, and it's also antibacterial. So this is why I love to use the hibiscus flower, and it smells really good. Then you're going to take your whisk or something, and then you're just going to mix them. You're going to mix it around, and you want to blend it, and it just makes, it just looks beautiful. Look at the beautiful colors, and the smell is wonderful. The aroma is wonderful. And it's a good way to get all of the goodness from the herbs. And then once we get it all stirred, that's when you're going to take your muslin bags. And you're going to take your muslin bags, and then you're just going to fill each bag. You want to fill the bag, fill it up. And you get, and so this is a tablespoon. So I'm getting about 3 tablespoons in here. You want to fill it up, and then you just close it off. Now, if you want, you can nicely tie it, and then what you do is when you get a bunch of these, you can either put them in a nice jar so that you can see them. They'll be nice and pretty. You put them in your bathroom, and whenever you want to take a bath, you can put a few of these in your bathtub while the water's running. Swish it around a bit, you can squeeze it, and you'll just have a wonderful aromatic herbal bath that is also good for your skin and it's good for your mind. So thank you for joining us today at Work With Me Wednesday. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think someone else would like this video, then share it. If this video was shared to you, then sign up for our newsletter. The information is below, and you will receive these videos and more each week direct to your inbox. Again, thank you, and I will see you next week.